Welcome to Russian as a second language. My name is Svetlana, and today I would like to tell you about two negatives in one sentence. So you know that in English language you can't use two negatives in one sentence. For example, you can't say I don't know nothing. Yes, you should say I don't know anything. Or you may use I know nothing, right? But in Russian language you must use two negatives. For example, I don't know anything, you will translate Я не знаю ничего. First, denial. I don't know, я не знаю. And then in English you say anything. In Russian you will use nothing. Я ничего не знаю. Или я не знаю ничего. In such sentences and in such phrases, you have to use two negatives in Russian language. So every time you use such sentences, remember about this rule. For example, also you may say, I don't know anybody, or I know nobody, right? In Russian you will say, Я не знаю никого. Anybody or nobody here you should translate like никого. Say this once again. Я не знаю никого. Right, very good. I don't know anybody or I know nobody. Я не знаю никого. Or you may also say я никого не знаю. Yes? Я никого не знаю. Next example. I don't want anything or I want nothing. I want nothing at all. In Russian you will say Я ничего не хочу. Я ничего не хочу. You see, here you also use two negatives. Ничего and не хочу. Or you may also say Я не хочу ничего. Я не хочу ничего. At our website www.skylsclub.com you can find Russian grammar where you can learn pronouns in Russian language. So come to our website and learn Russian grammar there. That's all what I wanted to say today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and come to us next Saturday. We will give you new video.